Vlog. So we ended up meeting up with some people that we know from high school, from like years ago. It's crazy. Right here. Trip on this boat ended. Now we're heading to the island. It's lit, always lit. Right, my friend. See them wet. Alright vlog, we just got to the island. It looked lit. People is everywhere in the water. I could smell the food already and everything. Best birthday. Best.
Oye, sácame una comida. No voy atrás. A ver, yo voy.
Where is the food? Toilets. The little blue house in the back right there. The only blue house in the back. Toilet. Bar. Green one right here. Everything it's include. Beers, water, rum and coke, rum 7-Up, coffee. After lunch you can get also at the bar. The long chairs that you find empty like.
You're talking about US.
Yeah. Okay. La mama. So I'm just here trying to barter with the locals, trying to let me spend more. I'm not about to pay more for this stuff, and I'm about to go eat some food in a minute. Good food. The island is very beautiful, you know. It's people everywhere, tourists and all that. Living my best life. I keep saying that, but it's true. It's true.
700 peso.
Beach time. You see me? It's mad, yo. Beach. Oh shit. Beach. Woo. Oh shit. What the mud. Let me get my camera out the water before it mess up. Picture time, picture time.
Okay.
Birthday, new friends. Say hello in English. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, not hola, hello.
Hello.
English.
English.
Yeah, yeah. See?
Mira.
Video.
Living my best life.
Happy
Happy birthday.
happy birthday.
Riley! Riley! Alright, we are finally leaving the island, going back to the mainland. It's an epic stay. Most epic birthday I had.
I'm glad I'm not the only one.
I'm gonna miss this island. Come out of the way, Mama, go first. Alright, my friend.
I'm here fucked up.
Alright, so we are about to do some snorkeling. I wish I had a GoPro right now. I can say without a shadow of a doubt, this has been the best day. Period. Right now, Alante is drunk.
What? What? No, Mendoza. Aprende, Mendoza. Good time, great time, but Mendoza.
Alright, we just got off the boat. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Somebody just fell. This lady just fell over there, but today was an epic day. I'm gonna do some stuff later on, but I'm gonna end the vlog right here, you know. I think this is long enough. This is a long enough vlog. Thanks for hanging out with me. As always, like, subscribe, and share.
Wow, wow, wow!